This video will help you understand the start page of a new answer file. To access the start page, launch HotDocs Player and make sure that the SpeedMatters library is open on the left-hand side. Double-click on All Forms and Documents. You are asked to create or open a new answer file. I'm going to open one that I've already created. Click OK. And you are now looking at the start page of an answer file with the company name in bold here in the middle. The first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that Yes is clicked under Show All Menu Items to make sure that all of the tabs and interviews are expanded. The reference date allows you to display and produce documents pertaining to the corporation at any specific point in time. Always make sure that your reference date is set to the date that you require. Where temporal terms like current or future are used in this interview, they are used relative to this reference date. Unless you want to display information or produce documents with historical or future information, you should leave the reference date as the current date. If you wish to see reminders about the steps and documents pertaining to the corporation that appear to be outstanding, click Yes under Show Reminders. They will appear right here. In the section that says what would you like to do today, you can choose between enter or review information or produce documents. Enter or review information loads a corporate summary in the document preview window, providing an excellent overview of the corporation's most important corporate information from the time of the reference date. All of this information is automatically generated from the information contained in the corporation's answer file. If you are working with a new answer file, you will want to start by entering available information about the corporation by selecting Enter or Review Information and navigating through and completing each of the interviews. You can press Next or use the page down key on your computer to navigate through all the interviews in sequence. So by pressing this Next button, by using the page down key on your computer, or you can go directly to a specific interview by selecting it from the interview outline. So by clicking whichever one you want to go to. When entering data, there are some things that you should not do. Do not delete a person who has already been assigned a role. Do not delete a share class as to which transactions have been recorded. Do not delete a share transaction that actually happened without making some offsetting starting balance entry. You can avoid accidental deletion or overwriting of your important data by changing the status of the data in the top right corner to completed. This will gray out the fields on the interview screen. Back at the start page, under what would you like to do today, there's also produce documents. Once you have entered the necessary information, select Produce Documents to identify and load the documents you wish to generate in the document preview window. You will be able to choose from Packages and Most Popular Documents, which includes incorporation, organizations, annuals, and share provisions, or you may be able to choose from a variety of individual documents and forms. With the exception of PDF government forms, all documents whose status is set to be documented will be generated and included in the Document Preview tab, right here. Documents may be produced at any time. However, unless information for each variable contained in the document you wish to create has been answered in the interviews, the missing information will not appear in the finished documents. You can click on the Document Preview tab at any time to see a real-time preview of the document you are producing. So make sure that you press Save Answers before you look at the document preview. Hopefully this has given you a basic understanding of the start page. You can also refer to our knowledge base, SpeedMatters for corporate law.helpdocs.io, for more information to help you use SpeedMatters to its fullest potential.